There's so much data to be analyzed and used to improve your processes in BI inventory. Let's take a look at the average days to sell KPI tile. Now we can see stock age. If you're uncertain how this is calculated, simply hover over the tooltip. There's a substantial amount of stock that's older than a year. Let's cross-filter this by stock on hand value. This graph is interesting. There were a couple of significant jumps in value, one in July and one in December. You can continue cross-filtering and exploring the data to build significant insights and start to answer questions like, what's the value of my older stock? Which warehouses am I not using? Why is this not selling? And more. Customize your dashboards quickly and easily to be able to return to the data you want to see.